Hello, welcome to another episode of Mk2 Golf Stories with the Lemon today. Got a few more jobs to do on it. Don't worry, we've not forgotten about the GTD. We just want to get this sorted first, get its MOT, and then we're back onto that. Anyway, a few more jobs to do on this today, so let's do it. One of the first things I want to do today is replace the, or put on a rubber boot for the wiring. To do that, I need to basically go into the boot, which have to look from the inside. I think these fucking struts need replacing as well. There we go, it's got a load of wires. So you may or may not remember we did something similar on the diesel, so it should be fairly straightforward. There's no boot here. All these wires here, try to pull these through a bit. I've got one slightly connected up there, that's good. Is that just an earth? That's some kind of earth, that's good. So we've got all these wires, but there's no wires under here. Alright, so we've got a blue wire coming up here. Where's that go? This blue wire here, which goes to here, which runs down here and goes into the back of the lights here. I guess that powers the boot lights, and there's nothing else I can see under here.
They're not used anymore.
Who said that?
There's
an earth here for one of these. I don't know which one it was. I think it was.
Probably goes in that blue one there.
Yeah, it goes in there. See, it's down at the back. Dad, we need to take these off. So we do have another boot up here with more wires coming through. You can see. There's a couple of. Yeah, there's a couple of thick wires here behind it. I'm guessing maybe that's for the window then. Right, so we put the boot on the other side then. Now this random blue wire here. Let's put that one through first.
Look, there, that thing up. So is that like the last one now?
Yeah, I need to.
It was about 4 or 5 on you.
Well, yeah, but we only had them on one side.
Make it easier.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you've got some chips. So you have to take it here, it's alright. Snippers, where'd you go? Yeah.
There we go. Got that on. It's better, one less. Do you think I was letting water in, Dad, at all?
Sorry?
Do you think I was letting water in? Letting water in here, wouldn't it? Through a hole there. And water comes down. Yeah, would have been letting water in.
Of course you have water in, you'd have it dripping down there.
So there we go. Bit less water in the car. Actually, first. this headliner has seen better days. That's fine. These clips on. Oh yeah, they're all broken, all these.
Yeah. We have got some.
Right, let's order some of those as well. In those, I'll look for these. I'm going to put this bit on the side.
No, I won't bin, I'll keep them just in case you can't get them. Yeah, you get two of them through the back. You can get two of them from behind.
Right.
You don't know that, don't you?
Yeah. Oh.
What's this off?
That's the old earth that I took off. Right. So finishing here for now.
Now is that supposed to buzz when you turn the ignition on?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, have you heard it buzzing?
You don't hear it, you feel it.
Have you felt it buzzing?
Can't remember now. So just turn this on and have a look. Right, we're not getting any buzzing from this. The ISV. Also, some of these wires aren't on correctly, so I'm going to change some of these round. This one isn't on the engine at all. Let's get some new things from.
Test the electric's coming through first, Scott.
Yeah.
From that wire.
Yeah.
Test that first. And then that's the what's that volt.
So we need to get new sensors for these then, or can we just put where is some screw and get some loops on them and put them on, maybe?
That sensor down there, that's temperature sensor. Like the oil lamp.
So we don't know what these are then. Are they all the same?
Temperature of the oil.
Are they all the same? These sensors then?
Them two.
This is in bad shape, this one, isn't it?
Just test them.
Oh, it's bloody clip.
No screwdriver. Yeah, 13.9. Battery's okay. Right?
Right.
There you test them. Ignition off. That's ignition off at the moment.
Ignition off. Getting some draw to it. Minus, weirdly.
I know. I don't.
What's the ignition on then?
I'm not sure whether you should do or not, but
Just because it's the wrong way around. One sec.
no.
Don't do anything just yet.
Nothing different.
Yeah, getting two. Go on, turn it on then.
No, wrong key. Okay.
Yeah.
13 volt.
Yeah.
12, yeah.
Okay, yeah. 13 volts there, but this isn't buzzing, so this is knackered. I should order a new one of those. That'll probably sort out our idling issue then. But some of the other issues we have noticed are, so some of these wires down here aren't going to anything. So this one here should go on to a sensor on the bottom of the block underneath
Yeah, that's
this
the
water pipe, and this blue one here should go on the other side. So we need to. Well, it's got a broken thing in it. This blue one, Dad.
Let's get a socket on it so you can get it undone.
There you go. It's obviously going. Should be going somewhere, isn't? Obviously, one of my next jobs will be sorting all this out, giving it a paint, and we'll put on a new lock. Yeah.
Don't be too worried, there. Not be back.
Also got one very flat and completely knackered, honestly. All cracked inside the grooves. Tyre, so this wheel will go off to get a new tyre. That's about all we've got time for today. Another short video. If you have been, thank you for watching. Click on like or subscribe if you find the video entertaining. You can join a Patreon, buy us a beer or a coffee, and yeah, see you in another video with Lemon or Black Beauty soon. Bye bye.